Dear ones, some of the most sacred initiation chambers and temples look scary from the outside but are breathtakingly beautiful on the inside. This represents the journey that the soul pilgrim is required to take to reach somewhere sacred. But only the initiated can enter. Perhaps that is where you are right now. You are being tested, initiated because you are headed somewhere sacred. Initiations require that we cross the threshold from one world or state of being to the next. We are called to face what scares us and have to be willing to lose it all in order to gain a new way of being, of safety, of security, of depth, of meaning. Initiations, like rites of passage, mark the shift from one age to the next and can take place because of emotional turmoil, great loss, grief, or devastation. But it is through the seeming hardship that our heart cracks open and our spirit is invested to step forward. We take the sacred voyage into more of who we are and who we came here to be. It can be painful and scary, but once we begin the journey, we can be more ourselves than ever before. If you are in the middle of an initiation right now, you will get through it, and one day soon you will bless the thing that broke you down and cracked you open because the world needs you open. You are going somewhere sacred. It will be worth it, and you are closer than you think. Why don't you take a moment, close your eyes, center yourself, and receive this beautiful code of initiations that will help you to cross this threshold in a way that will be delightful to your mind, body, and spirit. Shamini mi anana shini miti 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 shana mata matiana shia mamayana siana mata matana shana matiana matiana siana matiana nayan shana matana mata matatiana shana matini tiana shana mata mani mata hata mati hata mati mata matiana shana matiana shana matiana sana matanata shiana matiana mamina sana natano shana mata matiana mayana shana manana shana mati miti shia matana siti mitina shana matiana tata matana tata shatata. Breathe in. Visualize shimmering silver light from Mother Moon entering into your body and blessing you with strength, calmness, and the required feminine energy to cross this threshold. Tana maniana tana masiana matiana sana matiana shiana matiana mayana shana matiana sini miti kushini miti shana matiana yatar shana matiana sana mati shana matata tana matata shana mati tana matiana shiana mata hashini miti shini miti shana matiana nana.